Coming to you live from a great day at the WayBeforeTheFame Garage. We got 3 K cars here, which means we got the homie TikiBunny. So let's get his first impressions on the Mira.
I genuinely, I love the floor. I know you.
I don't hate the floor. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I just think that it's not really like a store, but I'll probably leave it. I think I'm just gonna buy new tiles, like new rubber tiles to them over.
I mean, the sound deadening in here is definitely
yeah,
it makes a huge difference.
How do you feel about David's dash work?
It's not bad.
It's really not.
I was really worried that the loss of the dehumidifier or the defroster vents was gonna be a problem, but I
mean, we'll see this winter. I'm not sure yet. Yeah. I think this cleans it up a lot. Having that gauge there. I gotta maybe put like a tweeter or something on that side.
Yeah, just anything to cover up the bracket, and you're pretty much good to go.
Yeah.
But
and then this is some areas of concern.
Yeah. It's not terrible.
No. 90% of them have that though, honestly.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I just have to find a cover for this. What else? It's cool. I mean, once I cut this open, once I put a radio, once I put speakers, but I'll sit back here.
All right.
You can hear the infamous squeal. How is it power-wise though?
It's not bad at all.
Yeah, and that's and you don't want to give it too much because of the squealing.
Yeah. I only want to give it a little bit.
Yeah, you're kind of right. But imagine this as a store. Imagine this as a store.
Yeah, it's gonna look great.
Yeah.
Did you confirm with the dude who's gonna put
I confirmed with someone that I could do it next week, but I got a tip on someone else. Then you gotta make it right again.
Yeah, it's quick. I mean, for a vehicle that's just a giant.
Yeah, and the blow valve. Don't forget the blow valve.
There's just no way that you can just not be happy driving this thing. It's impossible.
And it's crazy miles per gallon.
Oh, I mean, that's the thing. People were waving at me and smiling and giving me thumbs up on the Opti.
Yeah.
But this, just the profile of this, everything about it, people are gonna be I need to know what this is. I want to talk about it. I want to wave. I want to take pictures. This is just beyond next level when it comes to miles per gallon.
Yeah. And if you don't go into boost too much, it's normal like this. This is what my life is soon to be like, hopefully.
I mean, with the new manifold.
Yeah, once I get the new manifold and gasket, yeah. It's quiet. It's, I don't even have a radio yet or speakers, but imagine that. And I just want to pull up. My perfect world is I'll pull up exactly where that van is, pop this open, and then sell anything. Hot chocolate, Hot Wheels, anything. Cookies.
Oh, that squeak, though.
I hate it. Put your foot all the way down.
Straight,
straight to the floor. Straight to the floor. You can be right. When you put your foot all the way down, it's actually quick.
Yeah. Can I get in right here?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, it's genuinely quick. It's off the line. It's got.
You can do it again here.
Oh man.
Now that we got the Daihatsu Mira walkthrough out the way, what we're gonna do in today's video is install another ATOTO radio. As you guys remember, we just put this 1.5 DIN in the town box. Now we're gonna put this full double DIN in the Opti. Good news, it already has an aftermarket radio, so it should be plug and play. Here's everything that comes in the box. You have your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi antenna. Comes with GPS. Comes with everything you need for a backup camera as well. Has a SIM card location. Has things for your amp. Has video input and output. You got the Wi-Fi antenna, Bluetooth, parking brake. A lot of these things we're not going to use just because we're using a 90s K car. But of course we have the mic, GPS, comes with 2 films, more things for an amp. And then let me show you the most important thing. Clean, very thin ATOTO. That 100% is going to work. I put this in my AutoWorks. This same exact radio is going to go on my Mira. We're going to make another video on that install. But now let's start taking everything apart. Crazy the size difference. Like,
oh my god, it's so big.
From new cool technology to 1990s CD player. So now what I'm gonna do is splice everything back together. We're really just matching colors. So green with green, green black with green, blue with blue, yellow with yellow. Black is usually ground. Red is usually accessory. Orange is dim when you put your headlights in. So let's speed run through this really quickly.
This shit contagious.
As usual, it's a crazy rat's nest from Japan, but I think that we got everything wired in. Let's just connect this. Here, put that in there.
Yeah.
I was about to say. The suspense.
Look at that.
All right, let's just get some. Do we have back? No, right?
No. I mean, this one?
Yeah, that one works too. Update. So it took us a little moment to figure this whole thing out, but everything is wired together. Greens with the greens, purples, orange. We checked the rear speakers, we checked the front speakers, and everything is good to go. I'm now gonna add the brackets in, that way it can fit flush on the dash. And then after that, we'll start doing the headlights, going over some of the features on the radio. And then back here, you have the 4G antenna and then GPS antenna. That way it shows you exactly how fast you're going, which is pretty cool. Now we're just going to grab the harness, pop this in here. And before we put it in, actually, let's just confirm.
Yeah.
Got the
I'm just gonna
Android.
need smaller screws over here eventually.
At every high school, and the sorters come out and get free clothes off the bus.
Oh my gosh, like a traveling wardrobe.
Those things are loud.
So loud.
I didn't realize how loud they were. All right, now let's just button everything up.
There we go. Click. Bottom here.
Now you're styling.
That's perfect.
And more importantly, the main reason I love this radio is how quick it connects to CarPlay. It even has normal maps too. Like, I love these radios. It has a Play Store, has Pandora, has YouTube. I really could put a WayBeforeTheFame video on here right now. 13 hours and 40 minutes. That's actually not that bad.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
That's way better than I thought.
Yeah. That's what this is about to do.
Can't wait. It's gonna be good. Keis.
Yeah, follow his YouTube journey too. When you post those videos, I'm definitely gonna tag them. But now we'll put the H4s, that way he can drive home with some great visibility. Radio's officially installed, Android audio, speakers and everything work. Is this Bunny your home screen on your phone?
Yeah, it's my home screen.
Oh, it's crazy.
It's awesome.
Yeah. It doesn't do that for the iPhones, but that's dope. It has like all your apps here and everything. So now to do the H4s, we just have to remove this boot. H4's in, battery reconnected. It's pretty bright out, but I think we should still be able to see. Hey, it's crazy what the difference it makes. Like, even if it's bright early today.
Even with how cloudy those things are.
Yeah. Woo. Now you can see when you're driving home. No way you're leaving WayBeforeTheFame Garage without a K plate. I wish I could put yellow calipers, but H4s, nice radio. If we had more time, I would definitely put an intake. Can't forget that too. Such a funny looking car. All right, so before we end this video, we're gonna drive this thing around. Let's see what it's like. Has power steering. It's a 4-speed too, which I didn't even realize at first, which is a big pro. He's really about to drive this 14 hours back to Wisconsin. Damn, it's already a little peppy. Love this. Lights up too. Let's punch it down this road right now. Wow, it's actually really throwing me back. You said he was going 120 on the way here. Kilometers, obviously. And, wow, it's quiet. You guys remember at the port, it was kind of shaking a lot, but now it isn't. How's the handling? It has the front and rear sway bar, and you actually feel the difference. I want my mirror to feel like this. My mirror feels like it's gonna tip over whenever I turn too hard. Wow, the brakes are good. I think we need to look into one of these. Even if it's automatic, I don't even mind. Got the clock over there. Yeah, this is what I mean. It's like fuel injected, I think he said this is only a 97 though. But like the fuel injected model K cars, it just makes a world difference. Like, I know people like to say carburetor is the best, it's less things to worry about, it's easy to work on and easy to fix, easy to diagnose your problems, but you just don't get the same from the car models. Like, you just don't. I could only imagine if this was 5-speed or all-wheel drive. Like, we were looking at a couple OPTIs while we were in Japan and we didn't win them, sadly. But now, after driving this one, I'll park it next to the Mira. Imagine this on rims too. Imagine this on tris. Imagine this on the gold rims. I think the gold rims look amazing, by the way. I think some people think I don't think they look good. But imagine these wheels on this little rally Fiat over here. This Abarth. LEDs. Nice and clean. All the speakers work. Getting exhaust, rims. Soon for sale too if you're in the Wisconsin area. Got all the case together. 3 blue ones back to back to back. But I'm in this video here. Stay tuned for the next couple bangers. I'm actually going to drive to South Carolina tomorrow with David from Mendy Imports. We're going to trade the gold wheels with the tri-spokes. I'm going to trade this Nardi for my black steering wheel hat on my white Mira. We're going to stop by 844 Imports. We're going to check out that mini cab some more. Josh just got a JB23 Jimny that I'm interested in looking at. And then down the route, David wants to look at this clapped out Sarah that allegedly he's going to buy. But we're going to look at the Sarah that I think it's like $2,500, which isn't bad, but it's almost, in my opinion, the same level. Maybe not as bad, but the same level as that Red Honda Beat. Like, it's not worth buying at all. But we'll check it out. Maybe we'll stop at Virginia Automall and check out that Red Honda Beat some more. He also has a black Sarah that I think needs some work as well. So maybe we'll drive back with a Sarah. But we're getting closer and closer to getting this window cut. I think I'm going to drop this off next week. Still waiting on an update on my manifold and gasket. Hopefully that'll be here soon. I think the smart thing to do would be to change over the manifold first to see if that's my problem, and then invest another $2,000 into this window. But seeing how this is my forever K, if it isn't that, I think no matter what it is to an extent, I'll probably still pay to get it fixed, just because this is my forever K. But thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna jack up this car, swap over the rims. Looking forward to the road trip tomorrow. Looking forward to seeing my white Mira. Looking forward to seeing how the white Mira looks with these. I think it's really gonna pop with the white and gold. Road to 40K, road to 100K. All my Patreon homies, I know I said I was doing a giveaway soon, and trust me, I'm working on something large, and that's why it's taking a bit longer. But if you're on the Patreon, just know something big is about to happen.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.